data aggregation, and investment data integration for business managers. Integrating investment data into a general ledger can be a huge problem for business managers. Due to the amount of manual data entry, it's an error-prone process. It can be inconsistent from bookkeeper to bookkeeper. It's not a scalable process, and ultimately, it lacks timeliness because firms end up falling behind on updating information. InvestLink offers three main elements of value when it comes to solving this problem. First, InvestLink electronically aggregates investment account information across multiple custodians. Second, InvestLink integrates this information by taking the investment data, aggregating it, consolidating it, and then creating dual-sided journal entries, which can then be used in AgilLink. Third, InvestLink provides better reporting by integrating your investment data and your financial reporting, which creates a 360-degree view of clients' finances, and with consolidated investment reporting. InvestLink works by using multiple data aggregators to aggregate positions and transactions from over 300 custodians. These include institutional custodians and investment managers. The data aggregators receive daily position and transaction files from these custodians and normalizes and consolidates the information. That information is then provided into InvestLink. InvestLink acts as a data hub that sits outside of AgilLink. InvestLink has an API integration with AgilLink. AgilLink provides the client specific chart of accounts and then maps that against their investment data, creating dual-sided journal entries which are then inserted back into AgilLink. Once those dual-sided journal entries are in AgilLink, it fuels all the financial reporting. In addition to the enhanced investment awareness, financial reporting firms now have access to client-ready consolidated investment reports. AgilLink aggregates data from over 300 institutional custodians. These are direct feeds that are permission-based on a one-time letter of authorization. The authorization process makes this a highly operationally stable process. This process is secure, stable, and compliant. There are no passwords involved, and no taking custody of these accounts. There are certain accounts that AgilLink cannot aggregate using this type of aggregation method. This includes retail accounts, 529 accounts, 401k accounts, and accounts directly with fund companies. AgilLink provides investment awareness financial reporting that's updated monthly and consistently across all accounts. Firms will be able to provide their clients with a 360-degree view of their finances, investment awareness financial statements, and up-to-date tracking of fair market value at cost basis. AgilLink also provides client-ready consolidated investment reports. AgilLink consolidates across multiple custodians and across multiple accounts. AgilLink has position-level data and transaction-level data to provide transactional reports, as well as position-level reports. These investment reports allow firms to be able to provide on-demand services for clients, and they're a proactive way for clients to see the details of their accounts. These reports can be personalized and white-labeled, and include the firm's logo. The onboarding process has 4 different phases. The first phase is to review the firm's financial reporting requirements and see the reports that are produced today, the level of reporting, and what the chart of accounts looks like. Phase 2 is submitting the letter of authorization paperwork. This phase can take up to 3 months for this information to be received, processed, and activated. The third phase is mapping. Once the data is flowing, mapping begins when a full month of data is available. In the fourth phase, AgilLink runs a parallel process for 2-month end, where a workflow is introduced, accounts are closely reviewed, and journal entries are tweaked as needed. Some considerations to have when firms are looking to adopt InvestLink include having consistency across the chart of accounts. Data quality can vary from custodian to custodian. Some custodians provide better and higher quality data on a more consistent basis. Adopting InvestLink may also require changes in operations. Firms should be looking at this process monthly, which allows firms to provide more timely information to their clients, and it allows firms to stay on top of operations. With InvestLink, the information that's received by these direct feeds is often trade date basis for positions and settlement date basis for cash. Finally, adopting InvestLink requires a champion at the firm to explain what the firm is doing and communicate these operational changes to the bookkeeping team. There are many benefits of InvestLink. This includes better reporting for your clients, consolidated investment reporting that's a value add for firms, and some firms charge for this additional service. InvestLink allows the firm's employees to focus on higher value tasks instead of spending their time on manual entries. It allows firms to create scale by reducing manual data entry and providing accuracy of reports. InvestLink allows firms to natively extend the power of AgilLink by adding this component to their product suite. InvestLink allows for more frequent updates, so firms can have information updated monthly. Ultimately, firms provide more value to their clients because they're able to provide better reporting, more timely reporting, and it's more accurate. For more information, please contact us with any questions.